Welcome to our campus.
Hello, welcome to ILM Graduate School of Management. Did you know that ILM Graduate School of Management has been around for the last 20 years? And having been part of this since almost 9 years, I'm in a good position to tell you that probably we are one of the best in various aspects. Not only the fact that we have been around for a long time, in various aspects we excel with respect to grooming the student. You know, one very good thing about ILM is that we have students from all over India. Not only India, we have a few foreign students as well. So that gives us a very good multicultural setup where you get to understand and learn different cultures, get to know them, possibly learn different languages, understand them, and it gives us a very good global perspective.
हम लखनऊ से हैं। मेरा नाम पंकज है। मेरा नाम सौरभ कनौजिया है।
हम पल्लवी शुक्ला
और हम अनूप त्रिपाठी और हम आईएलएम में पढ़ते हैं।
নমস্কার, আমরা ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল থেকে এসেছি। আমার নাম উপাসনা ব্যানার্জি আর আমার নাম স্বাগতা রয় চৌধুরী আর আমরা আইএলএম স্টুডেंट्स।
सत श्री अकाल, मेरा नाम निखिल अरोड़ा है। मेरा नाम अखिलेश महाजन है। तेरहवीं दो में पंजाब तो है। 13वीं दो में आईएलएम में पढ़ते हैं।
नमस्ते, हम दोनों झारखंड से हैं। मेरा नाम श्लोका स्मृति
और मेरा नाम कौस्तुभ सरकार
और हम लोग
आईएलएम में पढ़ते हैं। नमस्ते, हम यूपी से हैं। मेरा नाम रोहित गुप्ता है और मैं आगरा से हूँ।
मेरा नाम कुसुम दुबे है, मैं गोरखपुर से हूँ।
मेरा नाम आशुतोष पांडे है और हम आईएलएम में पढ़ते हैं। Ich bin Kostov Sarkar, ich komme aus Jamshedpur, ich studiere im IIM। प्रणाम, हमारा नाम राहुल कुमार केसरी है। हम बलिया यूपी से आयल बनी और हम आईएलएम में पढ़ेंगे। नमस्ते, मैं नेपाल बटा हूँ। मैं सरोज कुमार सा, मैं विशाल तिवारी, हम आईएलएम में पढ़ता हूँ।
Hi, we are from Chandigarh and I am Sukhinder Singh
And I am Amarpal Singh.
We are the students of IIM.
We have an excellent mentoring program where each and every faculty is involved and assigned a specific number of students, and they literally become a part of their lives, whether it is their personal issues, concerns, counseling, or their academic concerns, their hostel issues, even the kind of food. If they don't like the food, the mentor is the first person who finds out about it. Then the matter is escalated to whoever is concerned.
Hi, in ILM the focus is always on students. Faculties plays an important role in mentoring students beyond classrooms. So what is mentoring? Mentoring is a process wherein students are attached to the faculty mentors so that they can go and discuss their problems. It is not possible for faculties to pay individual attention to all 60 students in a class. So that is why we have mentoring in place where students are attached to faculty mentors and the number is usually between 7 to 8 so that faculty mentors can solve their problems and can help in their personal and professional development.
Hi. So this is our mentoring session going on and this is Professor Sachita Doshi's cabin. So the question arises is, what do we actually do in a mentoring session? We do GDs, we prepare for our placement sessions, we do aptitude tests, and we also put up some problems, whatever issues we have, so that our faculties can help us in solving them. So this is all what we do in a mentoring session.
ILM excels in academics. For one thing, since the last couple of years we have been using Harvard course material, which is at par with one of the best universities in the world. Secondly, our curriculum is based upon Yale University's curriculum, which again is very innovative and inspirational. And any student who really goes through this curriculum will have a totally new perspective with respect to learning management in a very, very practical way.
hierarchy of fields. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of the word hierarchy? What do we mean by
can see Sadiq sir is teaching us Abraham Maslow therapy. You can see the class is really serious. This is a trend in higher education. The class is being taught in various sections, and you can see that this is a very interactive session. We are being taught by the case studies or discussing visualization and all. I have to the class. Bye.
This is our regular get together. We just got over with the finance class. The classes are very interesting. And the reason? Our teachers. They are the best. We love them.
Diversity, industrial exposure, experienced faculty,
Opportunities,
Cultural diversity.
eco-friendly infrastructure,
a wonderful entry into the professional life.
Extracurricular activities.
corporate exposure,
Professionalism.
student-centric,
Personality development.
We have a very dedicated placement team. They literally work round the clock, and I can assure you, each and every student on campus, they know who the placement managers are. They are in direct touch with them. They can communicate their likes and dislikes to them, and accordingly the placement managers have to cater to their requirements. The feedback is given to the placement manager. The placement managers are regularly in touch with the students. The kind of live projects they arrange for them, the kind of SIPs they arrange for them, the kind of interviews they arrange for them is really marvelous.
Hi everyone. That's a very special, interesting interaction going on between the placement team and the students. Let me introduce you to this placement team here. Mr. Khalid, Mr. Rajat and Mr. Gaurav. So let's just come and see what they're up to.
So this Saturday, Mr. Deepak from ICICI Prudential is coming for the lecture, and the lecture is on sales of the financial products. Okay, then next Saturday we would have Mr. Arpan Gupta for marketing research, and then furthermore.
Right. Last time we had CMI for financial students.
As we have gone through the kind of feedback that we have got from the students about the CMI live projects. It's like most of the students are happy. I think all of the students are happy about this project.
It is not an individual role that a placement manager plays, When we talk about a team, we are talking about the students, we are talking about the faculty, and we are talking about the placement managers per se.
Like if we can onboard more than 400 companies once again for our students with a much higher package. If I talk about on an average near about 4 lakhs of package minimum for our student, that will be that is our main aim, and we as of now we are on the track.
Our basic funda of the entire placement works on the idea that a student play a prominent role, and that is why every first year student, they fall into a SCOP community, they fall into a SCOP group. Now what is a SCOP group or a SCOP community? Now this SCOP community, if we talk about, plays a very important link between the placement manager, the faculty, as well as the entire student community.
Oh, hey, the Scholar Cafe, our canteen, the best place in any college. Come, I'll show you around. The damn coolest place in any college. You'll love it. The food is awesome here. You'll get the great taste here. And this is the hub for all the activities. Like you have Wi-Fi, you have people do assignments here, people do all the work, people even bunk the classes and come here. And even our faculty caught them, they're still here. Come, we'll meet some people and Hey guys. Hey. So I would like to know more about the canteen food. So, what do you like the most in our canteen?
Uttapam is fine.
Uttapam, all right. What about you?
I like idli.
Idli. Nice choice. Poha. All right.
I like masala dosa.
Okay, masala dosa, South Indian. South Indian food is great. So you?
Actually, I believe in proper diet, so I prefer to have thali.
Okay, thali. You are a strong man. I can see that. All right. You know the food is ultimate here. You know the food has a very great taste, and you know it literally reminds me of my mom. You know I'm just gonna cry, man. Come on. And we have we can recharge our phone in our canteen. We don't have to go outside. And here we go. We meet our Sachin sir. Hello sir. How are you?
Fine.
Done with the classes?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you up to? Please.
This time I'm charging my mobile. I'm using a top of 50 rupees, so I'm using this machine to get recharge my mobile.
Okay, this is extremely cool, no? I mean, you have a recharge in your canteen, everything. You get everything here.
I'm loving it.
Okay, I'll do my recharge later. You carry on and see ya. All right. And okay, let's meet now. Meet our senior, Upasna. Hey, Upasna.
Hi. Actually, I'm watching the news to get myself updated regarding the government exam.
Okay, we have TV here. You know, the T20 World Cup is coming. So, you know what? We are looking to, sit here and enjoy the T20 World Cup. And Yuvraj is back. And, okay.
Welcome to ILM Library. And I have to put my bag here. This is the reading section. And this is the reference section. And here, this is the computer section. Look, guys are busy study. Come on. And this is our research section. Hey, so this is ILM's library. We have books, newspapers, newsletters, journal, research paper, etc. that enriches our knowledge. So see you later. Okay, back to my study.
Hi, this is the kind of a hostel that is upcoming in ILM, and I feel that this is probably one of the best and world-class facilities. I went to the US, I stayed there in a hostel, and I personally feel after looking at this that this is much better than the facility I stayed in while I was there. We have a capacity of about 450 students in these hostels with 24 hours activities going on. Students will be supervised and assisted by wardens plus faculty living in the hostel itself, which is a unique concept.
Hello guys, my name is Manish. I'm from ILM, and we are just here to play a game like table tennis. It's a very nice game. It's about 12 o'clock morning, so we are enjoying after our class, like 3-4 hours study. We came here and play a game table tennis. Enjoy a lot with our friends. Conversation, make conversation. That's all. Thank you.
As part of our Vision 2015, ILM lays a tremendous emphasis on the overall grooming of students. We have approximately 25 clubs on campus. Would you believe it? Each and every student is expected that they will be part of one or two clubs. They get full support from the management to be creative, inspirational, and come up with new ideas to promote their clubs.
Hi, ILM focuses on experiential learning. We not only focus on classroom teachers and press, but we have 25 cultural clubs and societies at ILM. Some of the unique clubs are the Culture Club, the NGO Club, the Cooking Club, and the Eco Green Club. We not only focus on academics, but want students to become world-class leaders.
Hey, the cultural club auditions are going inside right now, and we can see that the seniors are waiting, taking the auditions, and the juniors are waiting for the chances. Everyone wants to be a part of the cultural club, as it is a very prestigious position. So while we're waiting, come on in and check what's happening inside.
Okay, so why do people think we should take you in this club?
Dance is our passion and we think we are good dancers.
And one more thing, that we want to take this club to the next level.
Okay, so show us something in your dance style.
Okay, so we can see that it's a tense situation around here. So let's understand it very further.
Hi, we are practicing for our next tournament.
Hi, do you know what is going on there? The seniors are teaching the juniors for the Teachers' Day celebration. You know, one of the best part about ILM is this relationship between the seniors as well as the juniors. Post the freshers, this bond, this relationship becomes very strong. Now let us go and see what these people are actually practicing.
Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight.
जगे मट के झट के मार है तू आज जोड़ा तो हम भी बुआर है तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम
क्यों पिघलने लगा मैं ठहरी रही जमीन चलने लगी धड़का ये दिल सांस थमने लगी
As I walk into the corporate innings of my life, I would like to thank my mentors, my faculty members and my placement team for enlightening me. Now I am much more confident, knowledgeable and focused, and I would like to thank ILM for it.
बेटा हमारा